I made Spider-Man's brand new day web shooters in real life, not just props, they actually work. 4 magazines, insane range, plus a hidden secret, and maybe even strong enough to hold my weight. Let's see if I survive this. Starting with the base. I cut out cardboard pieces and bent the first to fit the curve of my arm. Then I ripped out the first layer to reveal the fibers so I can soak it with super glue to make it sturdier. Then I glued the other 2 pieces for extra strength. This part is very important because it cannot bend like this. Next, I wanted to cut out the lines of the template. Because of gluing more layers, it got thicker and I had to make a new template which I taped to mark the magazine lines. And this is where the trigger will sit. Around it I carved out cardboard, you will see why shortly. Now that the base is done, we can move on to the mechanism. Roll a piece of paper around it like this, then make it harder with superglue and cut this area so the holder can fit in there. Insert a spring and put a fitting piece in it, so the spring doesn't come out. I made the holder with aluminium. You can also make it out of wood or with cardboard and harden it with superglue. The choice is yours. But right when I tried to put the mechanism in the body, it was too tight. So I drilled holes and they definitely look like real spider eyes. After cleaning and polishing it, it actually works. Now that the barrel shoots successfully, we can make the magazines and bullets. Cut out a stick and roll a piece of paper on it. Cut the excess paper and harden it with superglue. Then do it again and glue some magnets on it. Carve a groove here so the holder gets stuck in here and harden it again, like this. The magazines are made by gluing the template on cardboard. Speaking about the template, you can get it in printable form like this, with cutting, folding and gluing lines. More about it later. And now stick the extra bits that make the bag sealed. Later I realized that the spring is too powerful for the bullet. The paper layers are getting ripped off. And this causes misfiring, which is not good at all. So to fix this, I made a new bullet with wood so the issue can be solved. Now you can carve some holes in the body to add small magnet. Stick a second magnet on it and put a drop of glue on the magnet. Then place the magazine on it. Like this you have a perfectly positioned magazine. Now that every main part is done, we can make the cool part, the hidden secret that not even Tom Holland's web shooter have. Cut out a stick with a point, roll it with a piece of paper and glue some magnets on it. But meanwhile making the cover, I accidentally cut out the tip of the stick, so I decided this time to sharpen a metal stick. That looks horrifying. I am telling you, do not make this at home. Next we can cover the body in white paper, and for details I added the cover for our hidden secret and this house that is made out of rubber. Don't worry, in the template you can just print it out, fold it and you are good to go. Plus this part of the motherboard and finally the mechanism. At last I added these walls to hide the secret and a tiny piece to enhance the detail. It's time, DIY lovers. I know, it isn't that metallic color of Spider-Man web shooter, but at least it's fully functional. In addition, I had to add this metal stick because when I was testing it before, it was really hard to pull the string because of the pressure of the spring. To avoid ripping the stick apart, I glued this part too. These steps depends on what you have, because you can make it out of fake leather, paper or whatever material you have. I'm talking about the wristband. To make sure it's soft on my arm, I glued this thin foam to make it better. Thanks a lot to my mom who sewed all of these buttons for me. And the reason why it's not straight, because of Mother Nature, our arms become thicker as we go up. The last detail. Take a rubber band and cut it in half twice. Then glue them on the sides to make them look like red wires. Lastly, cut 3 pieces of popsicles and glue them like this. Smooth out the surface and edges so the dent floss, which we are going to use for the string, doesn't get ripped off. And then roll the string like this, pull it down until you have something like this and push it in the magazine. It should look like that. To answer the question from the very beginning of this video, can it actually hold my weight like in Spider-Man movies? 3, 2, 1. I don't have the string in my hand because it squeezes my hand and I don't want my hand to break because of a video. Go! It actually works! Let's test the hidden secret. Subscribe if you like this video. I'm almost at 1000 subscribers and you don't wanna miss the next future videos.